This video, I'm going to show you how to add in the section of funders logo and a link that allows people to see all the funders. So to do that, we want to make sure that the setting is set so that logos will show up. To do that, go to Site Building, under Blocks, and click List. We want to find the block that says Funders and make sure that it is set under Footer Region. Now let's go to Configure. And here you can see you're able to upload information about the name, the picture, and the URL of the funder. Before I do that, I want to go to Page Specific Visibility Setting. Now, for this video, I want to make sure that the funder's logo only shows up on the first page and not on every page. So I want to make sure show only on the listed pages, and I want to click and type in front and save block. So now that I made sure that the funder section is under the footer region, I can start uploading pictures. So under funder 1, let's say funder number 1. Logos path, here you're able to upload the logo of your funder. So for testing purposes, I'm just going to find a photo quickly. And upload. Click on that. Here, for Funder's website, what you want to make sure to do is, when entering the website, we want to enter in the full website. And what I mean is, make sure that the HTTPS is also included into the web address, or else it will not show up properly. So for example, I'm going to add in just Google as a testing site. And here, let's add in funder number 2. Logos path, here I can find a picture of my funder's logo. Choose a file. Let's just pick a random picture and upload. Again, you need to make sure the HTTPS is included, or else it will not work. But I can show you. Let's say I only clicked in google.ca. Let's see if it works. Save block. So now what we want to do, because I set it to be showing up on the home page, it'll only show up on the first page. So great, as you can see here, the 2 photos I uploaded for my funders showed up. Funder 1 and Funder 2. Funder 1, I set it to HTTPS and the Google website. Great, so now this one works. Let's try the second one. I didn't put in the HTTPS. And it says page not found. So again, we need to make sure when we add in the address, we need to put in the HTTPS. So to make any changes or add logos to this funder section, all we need to do is go to the configure button. And here, I'm just going to add in HTTPS. Oops. Now let's just add in funder number 3. Choose my funder's logo. In this case, I'm just going to choose a picture and upload it. Let's see. Cochrane. And as you can see here, there's a section that says show more links. What this is that in case you're not able to fit all of your logo and all of the funder information onto this section, this footer section, it allows you to insert a link right here and takes you to a page where you can provide more information about your funders and put up more logos. So what we want to do here is label it. So for testing purposes, I'm going to label this section as see more information about funders. And the path. The path is basically the website or the node that you want to link this page to. So for example, back here, we wanted to link that website, that specific site, to this. So what we need to do is enter the path or the funders section. And I will show you how to do that. So the third picture did show up, and it should take us to Cochrane. Great. Now, to create a funders page if you do not have one yet, basically all we do is go to Content Management, Create Content, and create a page. Let's say funders page. I am going to enter some content for testing, and I'm going to also give it the same name, funders. Now, it's up to you if you want to leave it at the parent item as Cochrane Group Menu, or say you want to put it under a specific section. So in this case, let's say I want to put it under About CDAG. So I need to make sure that the parent item is set to About CDAG, and to save. So now you can see that funders section has been created. So now to find the node or of this specific site, I go under Manage Content. Under Funder page, I edit. And here I can see it says Node 157. So I want to copy that. Now, to go back to that section, the Funders section, all we need to do is either go back to the logo and click Configure. So now under here, under Show More Links section, I can now enter the path, and I will label it See More Information About Funders. And the height is just usually the height of the picture of the Funders logo, and we can just set that to 50. And save block. As you can see now, this See More Information About Our Funders link has been created, and it'll take you to the funders page that we just created. So again, any changes you want to make to this section, just click Configure, and from there you can make your changes. And so that is how you create funders logo and create a link that can take you to a page that you can insert more content about your funders.